how to get pets in Grow a Garden. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can get a pet or we can purchase them right in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to get pets in Grow a Garden because you do play some games in Grow a Garden, there are a couple of ways. Depending upon the pet you want, they will have different type of quests that you have to complete. But a quicker and more easier way, if you don't want to spend your time grinding, is I would recommend you simply purchase them. You can purchase pets, and I would recommend a website which is ShopBloxs.com, which I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below. I don't have any affiliation with the website, by the way. So once you're here, you can just select Grow a Garden from the menu. And once you're here, you'll see different type of pets. Now, one of the rarest is Raccoon. You have Dragonfly, Red Fox, which are actually already sold out, but there are still some left in stock. So whichever one you want to buy, go ahead and then select that certain pet. Click on the Buy Now button or add them to your cart. And once done, enter your payment method and finish purchasing the pet. This way you can get pets in Grow a Garden. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.